Okay, what is new at Broadcast Asia 2018 is our Ninja 5, or you can call it Ninja V. Ninja 5 is our new 5-inch high brightness HDR monitor recorder, which has been launched at NAB this year, but we're also showing here at Broadcast Asia. So you can see this very lightweight 5-inch monitor sit on top of G5S mirrorless camera very nicely. It basically has the same functionality as our 7-inch Ninja Inferno. It has a HDMI 2.0 input and output. It can record up to 4K 60p. But what makes it different from the 7-inch product is it's very lightweight, and it fits very nicely with any of the mirrorless camera and the DSLRs. And if you look at the back of Ninja 5, we use a smaller form factor SSDs, but it can also use our current 2.5-inch SSD master caddy. Instead of having two battery terminals to provide continuous power, initially with the Ninja 5 standard model, it will be only one battery plug. So it has NPF, Sony NPF battery compatible. What is different from the previous model is Ninja 5 also have expansion slot, which can potentially add on other new features and new functions by adding on additional optional models. Okay, that's it about the Ninja 5. And we are also showing our complete ProRes solution with Shogun Inferno as well as Sumo, with all the different cameras from Sony, Panasonic, and Canon. So currently we support all these Sony, Canon, and Panasonic cameras which have raw output. For example, Sony FS5, FS7, Panasonic EVA 1, Vericam LT, Canon 6300 Mark II, those kind of cameras. And the highlight would be the 5.7K RAW capturing support with Panasonic EVA 1. With the latest 9.11 firmware update, the EVA 1 users will be able to record 5.71 RAW footage with ProRes RAW codec on our Shogun Inferno and Sumo. Then over here we also have a full setup with iMac Pro, and which has Final Cut Pro X 10.42 running on it. And so if you look at the footage being displayed on our Sumo, it's actually 5.7K RAW footage, which have been recorded with EVA 1. There's no problem to playback that on the timeline without rendering, and we can also adjust all of these parameters and characteristics with those raw footage.